Customers are missing a point if they're focusing on the IoT platform and the infrastructure. What really brings value to them is business outcomes. At Relayr, we aspire to get manufacturing leaders the right return on investment and return on assets using IoT as a technology vehicle. This is where Oracle IoT Cloud Service is a thought leader. They're actually looking at business applications alongside IoT platforms. A lot of people talk about Internet of Things as new billions of devices being connected. We believe retrofitting and brownfield is probably the biggest commercial opportunity in front of us today. There are so many old assets, billions of old assets with 20, 30, 40, 50-year life cycle. Let's get the data from there. At Relayr, we're very focused on the edge device management, and Oracle is a strategic partner where we actually get data from these old assets, from these old manufacturing assets into Oracle IoT Cloud Service. One of my favorite examples is in food and beverage, where we're working with bakeries and microbreweries to actually decrease the waste by more than 30%, hundreds and millions of dollars. Think of the impact. One of the things we love to talk about with executives at Oracle is the alignment on business outcomes. We love that customer is first. We love that we really care about getting the right business outcome for the customer, and our technology comes second to solve that problem. So we love the alignment with Oracle, and we love the vision which Oracle has, which is very similar to Relayr.